Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C260 with the red light or the red LED. Sometimes it's fixed, sometimes it's flashing, okay? So you just need to fix this by connecting the internet to the camera. Usually there is no internet to the camera, so that's why it's not working. And later after this, you can try something else. So the first thing that I have to do is just come here to my router, and you see that I have a repeater and a main router, okay? I can just restart this one, just unplug from power and plug it back. And I can do the same with the main router. It depends on which router you're connecting your camera to, okay? So I will just disconnect this one, and then I can connect it back. Then I have the router booting up, and I just need to wait, okay? Now I just need to observe the LED here. When it's steady, that's because it's connected to the internet again. It takes some time. Then I just observe the LED there in the camera, all right? So let's just wait for a while. There we go, guys. Now it's not flashing anymore. So just observe here my camera, and I see that the LED is still red. Now I just need to wait for some time and see if the camera connects to the internet again, all right? If it doesn't, then I can reset it. You see here that it's working now. It's connected, and I see that's green, steady green. Let me just put it there and double check that I have the camera connected. And here I can just refresh. And you see that's working. There we go. Let's just confirm here by moving the camera. See that's moving back there. So it's working pretty fine, right? That's the first thing that I have to try, just the internet. And then something else that you can try is just reset the camera. You can do it a different way. Instead of resetting the camera, you can just try to connect the camera to the Wi-Fi without wiping out all the information. You can keep the main configuration and just connect to the Wi-Fi again. So you just need to physically do this. You come here with the camera. Let's say the LED is still red. It's not my case, but just an example. You just move this lens all the way up, and here you see the reset button, okay? Let's not reset, so you just don't need to do all the process again. You can just do the half of the process. You just need to click and hold here, but just for 5 seconds. Don't hold too long, otherwise the camera is going to completely reset, right? So let me just hold here for 5 seconds. It's hard to see here the LED in this position because the LED flashes when you just press the reset. In this camera it's hard to see it, but just make sure that you press and count to 5. Let me just press here and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I let it go. I just quickly move here to see the LED. It's flashing red. That's what I want. Let's just put it here. And then I can just come here to the app and add the camera again, okay? Let me just get some focus here. There we go. You see that the camera is offline. And I can just come here and add the camera again, add a new device. And here, indoor camera, all the way down to the Tapo C260. It's flashing red and green, so I'm good to go. So it's connecting now. There is this animation here that shows that the camera is connecting to the cell phone. Just remember to have the Bluetooth enabled as well. There we go. You see as a pre-configured device. That's what we want. And then here, you just keep the existing settings. So here you can select the Wi-Fi. So you just need to connect to the Wi-Fi again. Let's just select this one. Here I just need to confirm the password for my router. Just hit next and next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. So you're halfway. You see here the LED is still red, but in a while it's going to change to steady green. That's the final stage, right? There we go. Steady green now. Just to wait a little bit more and it's complete. You just hit here, sounds good. Just dismiss here the 30-day trial for the cloud storage. It's gonna show the information about your SD card as well. There we go, I can connect to my Tapo hub. I have a hub just right here, as you can see it, but I'm not using this right now. I'm just setting up with the SD card. So I just come back here and hit maybe later again. And here I can set up the storage. Just got it because everything already set up, right? Next, I just changed the Wi-Fi. Hit next one more time. And the camera is on a table, so I'm good to go. Then I can click to preview, okay? I'm just move the camera back there so we can see something out there. There we go. Just click to preview. And the image is good. I don't need to invert it, so I hit done. And here I can just select my Tapo C260 and I have the camera back working, right? So here, let me just confirm on the pen and tilt. And I can move here to the left side. It's not responding for some reason. Let me just click to the right side. Still not responding. Something's wrong with this camera right now. Let me just close the Tapo app here and just open it again. See if something's related to the app itself. Connect to the camera one more time. Now it's moving, okay? It's just a glitch. I just need to reload the app and I'm good to go. So it's working now, okay? Pretty fine. So those are basically the ways that you can check. Remember, you just need to make sure that the camera is connecting to the Wi-Fi. So just do this first. Just unplug and plug back your Wi-Fi. You see here that I have two different routers, one main router and one repeater. So this depends on this one. Sometimes it's not enough just to reload the repeater. I just need to reload both of them, right? That's the first try, and then I come here to the camera, try again to see if it works. If it doesn't, then I just need to half reset the camera because it's just a half reset. I just use the pre-configured information to keep them there and just change the Wi-Fi, okay? And the last scenario is just completely reset the camera. Just gonna hold that button, the reset button, for a longer time until the camera completely reset, and then you try again, right? I hope that helps. That's the way you can fix the problem with the Tapo C260 with the red LED flashing or steady or the red light, right? I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.